Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another today's learning video, and in today's video I'm going to show you something very interesting, which is how to draw support and resistance like pro. Okay, like professionals, how do you do that? Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So if you guys see, this is a chart of crude oil. Okay, so I'll go to US oil. Yeah, this is the US oil chart. In this, how do I draw support and resistance? I'll make it really quick. So if you're a beginner and if you're having confusing with so many of supports and so many of resistance, what you can do is you guys can change the chart to line, okay, on 4-hour time frame, and just let me just get rid of all this and just scroll back. Okay, scroll back. This should be enough. Okay, this data should be more than enough. We don't want any more data. This data should be more than enough, okay, to draw your support and resistance. Here you have to take this horizontal ray or horizontal line. It's totally up to you. Okay, so here yeah, this data should be more than enough. So you take this horizontal, I'll take this horizontal ray. Okay, so this is the current price. Okay, from current price, the peaks above, two peaks above, so this is one peak and this is another peak. Okay, these are my resistance, and downside two peaks. I want two sharp peaks, like this is one support and this is one support. That's it. Now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go to my normal whatever normal candles, and then I'm just gonna see the trend. Okay, in 4-hour time frame or daily time frame, if you see, the trend is down. Okay, so I'm going to draw a proper trend line here. Okay, like this. It's a decent trend line. It's a fairly decent trend line. It's downtrend. In this, I'm gonna go to 15 minutes, and I'm just going to wait if it breaks this. So basically, a candle should form like this, a red candle. Okay, continuing with it, another candle should form. So that is a downtrend. But will I trade here? No. I will have to wait for a green candle to form like this, and then a red candle to break down. Here is where I'll be trading. Yeah, this is where I'll be looking forward for a trade. So if you guys see, this is a red candle, this is a red candle. Okay, next is next is this is a green candle. Alright guys, this is a green candle. A green candle is a pullback candle, and then another red candle should form here. A red candle should form with a wick, and it should break this low. Okay, this low should be broken. This candle's low should be broken. Only then I will sell and keep my stop loss above this candle or above this line, and this will be my target. So this is how you're supposed to trade support and resistance, and this is how you're supposed to mark support and resistance. This is one of a way to do it. I'm sorry, let me correct it. This is one of a way to do it. People do it in very different ways. Some people do it like this. I'll show you. Some people do it with zones. Let me show you. So this is a zone. Yeah, so this is a zone, and above this is the current price. Above this is a zone. So if you see, this zone is coming from here, this is a zone, and then above this is a zone. Okay, some people will trade it like this. Below the prices, this is a zone. See, it will go to some peak. If you see, it will definitely go to some peak. Yeah, see, it has gone to multiple peaks, and they just change to candle and they start trading. This is a very small this is a very small target. I don't think it makes any sense trading here, but this is the right way. You can draw support and resistance and find support and resistance in your chart. If there are any more details or any more doubts you require, you can definitely comment down below. I will be very happy to help you out. I hope all your trading journey is going good. I know the market conditions has been very bad and very ruthless. One more information is about this, that is Nifty. So This three leg of selling was mandate, guys. This three leg of selling was mandate. It happens on many years, it keeps happening. So this is a double bottom. If you guys see, this is a bottom and this is a bottom. So this is both the bottoms. Once this bottom is broken, people expect it to rally up. But for me, only if it crosses 23,950 above, I'll be going for bullish or I'll be going for long. Till then, I don't want to do it. See, capturing bottom or capturing top is it's kind of tough in the market. It's not something what everybody can do or everybody can achieve. Yeah, I think few people can easily identify it because they have their edge, but for me it's not like that. I don't want to capture the absolute bottom or absolute top. I prefer on seeing the chart with probabilities. If tomorrow a candle closes strong above this candle, then I will enter with 20%. That's it, 20% of uh, position sizing, and I'll hold it. That's the best I will do. I won't go 100% in. Above this, I will definitely go 100% because this has been a very solid resistance. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you got some learning in this video. If you guys like my content, do like, share and subscribe and support. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.